Ano, mabilis nung pinagpaanan yung ano, ng coverall at saka sapatos? Harrison? Di ba?
Okay.
Yung mensahe natin.
Okay, Kate, let us listen again. Sorry, kita, the internet is not
Part
really good.
5. Listen and look at the picture. Part
Okay.
5. Listen
Ang purchase
and look at the picture.
order po
There is one
Okay, good.
example.
Okay, can you
Can
hear
you
me,
see the
Kate?
woman?
Yes.
Can you hear teacher?
She's making a fire.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Color it.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Color
Sorry,
it
Kita,
red.
internet is not really good.
Can you see the red fire? This is an example. Now you listen and colour and draw. 1.
There are 3 bats sleeping in the cave.
I can see them.
Look at the bat on the left.
Yes.
Draw 3 spots on it.
Okay.
2.
Can you see the boys playing with the dog?
There are 2 boys.
Yes. Well, look at the fatter boy.
Okay.
Now colour his face blue.
Blue.
Yes.
Three.
Would you like to do some more colouring?
Yes, please.
Find the picture of the tiger on the wall
Right.
and colour its stripes yellow and black.
Okay.
Four.
Now for some more drawing.
Good.
Can you see the empty space on the left of the wall?
Yes. Shall I draw something there?
Yes. Draw a snake.
Five.
Can I do some more colouring?
Of course you can. The man's painting a horse.
Shall I colour this?
Yes. Colour it purple.
Now listen to part 5 again. 1.
There are 3 bats sleeping in the cave.
I can see them.
Look at the bat on the left.
Yes.
Draw 3 spots on it.
Okay.
Okay, okay now. First we have, let us check. First
2.
we have draw.
Can you see the boys
you have
playing
to
with the
draw
dog?
3 spots. Where's the 3 spots? Here, 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. Color the face of the fat boy. Fat boy. Okay, blue. Fat is the fat boy. Oh, this one is the fat boy. Color the stripes of the tiger on the wall. Yellow. Oh, this one. Yellow color. Very good. Draw a snake on the left hand beside the wall. Okay, where's the snake here? Snake, 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 where are you?
This.
Oh, there is a snake here. Oh, there should be a snake here. You have to draw a snake and color the horse purple. Let me see. Oh, very good. You color it in purple. Oh, this one. Purple. You color it in purple. Very good. Okay. So now let us have another activity. Sorry, Kate, the internet not really good today. Okay. So we have.
Okay.
Okay, wait me ha.
Kaya nagtagal sa akin yan, bilis naman isipin. May paling kayo sa isipin. Kaya nagbuha ko ng mga.
Okay, wait me for a minute ha.
Baka may findings sa ICT niya. Yung findings yung dati, natapos sa ICT, sinabihan ng agad ako nga may findings sa ICT. Kaya, kailangan na parents ng guard mo rin. Kaya nga, ulit na ko naman. Lagi na.
Smiling like a wish is smiling.
Lagi ang bilis naman doon sa nag-resibo. Oo.
Okay, so I have here now. Okay, so we have here. Here, Kate, please choose the correct words. Please choose the correct words. Okay, please try to choose here. What do you think is the correct word? Ready? Right here, ha, in the right side.
Teacher, could you help me, please?
Okay, huh?
Could you help me, please?
Okay, you can carry food and warm clothes in this when you go climbing. When you go climbing, what is this? You can carry food and warm clothes in this when you go climbing. This is? Okay, it's a bag.
It's
It's a
rucksack.
Oh, very good too. You go to this place, Kate, if you want to see tigers and clowns. If you want to see tigers and clowns, what place is this?
Museum.
Let me see. It's a circus.
Circus.
Okay. People can ride on this when there is a lot of snow. What is this? It's a it's a sledge. Okay. You can have room in this place when you are on a holiday. Okay, it is hotel. It's the hotel. If you're very ill, you go to the hospital in one of this. What hospital is that? Okay? Ambulance. It's ambulance. When we talk about ambulance, okay, we're very ill. Okay, this one. Okay, so this one, Kate. What do you think is this? Sorry, huh? Okay, you go to this place if you want to see a dinosaur. Oh, there's a dinosaur in this place. What is this place? It's a
It's
it's a it's a
museum.
Oh, very good, Kate. Okay. It is difficult, Kate, to see when there is a lot of this. It is difficult, Kate, to see when there is a lot of this. What is this? It's on?
Sorry.
It's on? Oh, it's a fog. You cannot see, Kate. If there's a fog, it's like a smoke. You cannot see. When it snows, children make one of this and throw. What is this?
Snowman.
Throw in the snow. Throw a snow.
Snowman.
Snow?
Man.
The ball.
Sino si
Snow?
Ball.
Snowball. Very good. One of this cake brings a lot of wind and rain. What weather is this?
Jane.
It is what weather when it brings a lot of
Storm.
wind
A storm.
and rain? It's a storm. Yeah, very good. People, Kate, make things like cars or televisions. People make things like cars or television. What is that? It's a
A factory.
factory, teacher. It's a factory. Yeah, very good, Kate. Okay, teacher, and we'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
See you tomorrow. Please enjoy your weekend. Bye, Kate. See you tomorrow, Kate.
Teacher.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.